Near my home is a spring that never varies its flow. Floods may rage, but its output never increases. A long summer's drought may come, but it won't decrease. Its flow is steady, reliable, and unending. Such is the peace that we all yearn for, and such is the peace Jesus promises to all who trust in him. The water that I shall give him will become in him a fountain of water springing up into everlasting life. And my peace I give to you.
That's John 4:14 and John 14:27. Have you come to that unending spring, which is Christ? And are you coming to him every day?
Can I just fill one?
Yeah.
All right, appreciate it.
Go for it,
Yeah, it's my second time here.
It's a great spot.
All right.